Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're tackling the big challenges of the business world, straight out of Chapter 2.
So, what really keeps a business owner up at night? Well, it's rarely just one single thing.
See, these problems actually come from three key areas, or environments, that every business exists in.
We're going to start from the inside and work our way out. Ready? Let's get into it. First up, the microenvironment. Think of this as everything happening within the business's own walls. This could be tricky employees, a mission that's kind of fuzzy, or even management just not having the right skills. And it also covers stuff like people constantly quitting, not showing up for work, or even things like strikes.
Okay, stepping outside, we've got the market environment. Here, you have some influence, but definitely not full control. This is where you're dealing with unreliable suppliers or customers who suddenly change their minds about what's cool.
But maybe the biggest headache of all? Your competition. It's intense out there. So what do you do?
Well, the good news is you have options. You can compete on price, make better stuff, or just have amazing service. And finally, we zoom all the way out to the macro environment. This is the big stuff you have zero control over. We're talking about big political changes, new laws, or an economy that just leaves people with less cash to spend.
This also includes things like international competition or big social problems like crime that affect, well, everything. All right, so let's see how all of this can come together and hit one business all at once.
This example is perfect. VFD has an internal issue, a market issue, and a macro issue. See, all three.
So success is all about managing what you can, influencing what's possible, and preparing for what you just can't change.
So knowing all this, the real question is, how does a business actually survive and thrive? That's the million-dollar question.